Shane's all excited because the bubbles. Oh, you're adding more? What are we supposed to do with that?
I don't know.
Are they okay to touch those bubbles?
They're actually kind of warm. They're warm. Touch them.
I just cleaned this kitchen.
It's soap.
Yeah, going everywhere.
It's bubbles.
And it's coming down.
Uh-oh. Bubbles.
Should use the bathtub or something.
Bubbles. Touch them. Touch them. It's okay. See? Poke one, baby.
It's gonna come after you.
Oh. Get it, buddy.
Oh my gosh. Daddy put bubbles on you. Yay, you have bubbles on your head, boy. It's not gonna stop.
Ready?
Just put some on the floor for him.
Ready?
This wasn't even that much soap, was it?
What?
Oh, the smoke's still in it.
I want soap on the floor.
Yeah.
You do or you don't?
No.
A little late for that.
No, the one on the floor.
Hey, Addie.
What?
Turns into nothing.
Yay!
Camera, you can't see the bubbles. Wear this. All right, the moment of truth. Yeah, okay. Uh-oh. The red light, is that bad up there? I don't know that I've actually pushed the power button yet. The power button has a red light on the inside, but I have pushed the official power button. I feel like it's not a good sign, but...
There's power. What is it?
That only that's on. Okay.
Pretty cool.
Now, will the screen turn on?
Is it plugged in?
Yes.
Wow. Get away.
It's got a lot of lights going on.
Did you? Oh, yep, there it goes.
It's on?
It's on.
All right. I think that means I did it right. Alright, well, I was told that that's all I should see right now. I gotta do the actual programming now, so. Alright, I'm only just now getting to get to this. This is just a messy setup just to start getting this stuff installed. So I'm gonna actually turn it on now. That one. Biscuit. Oh my gosh, Doug. Go. Again, like I said, this is crap. We have a new cord coming in tomorrow. Look at that. Doing something right. Look at our keyboard. You see the colors? And it's installing. Kinda proud of myself. It's out. Do. Things are running. I have sound. I got my keyboard. The mouse is coming tomorrow. Got a nice big 27-inch screen. This is still a hodgepodge of cords because that's gonna need to flip, which I don't like because it's right up against a wall. So like, I'm not gonna be able to see it. And over here is where the chair goes, so I can't just move it over here. So I haven't decided what all I want to do, but I have working things. I got Wi-Fi connected. This thing's run so smooth and it's not even hardwired in. It's just a Wi-Fi connection.